Hey guys, Sam here from Vyron Electric Bikes, and today I thought I'd give you a bit of a quick rundown on the assembly process for a Haz-e cargo bike. Here it is. So this is the one we've prepared earlier. So usually we start with the stand, putting the stand on. So basically that bolt will be in there. It's an 8mm screw, so you're going to need get yourself some Allen keys. And so it's pretty self-explanatory when you're putting that in there. From there, usually just put your front wheel in. That means putting the skewer through, putting it into the axle. Once you've done that, put the mud guard on, and then you've got your handlebars. See, the wires are coming out this way, but you've got your right brake cable here on this side as well. So as you can see there, we've put the front rack on, and then there's the light there as well. So the light's coming out, the cable's here. Sometimes the cable will actually come out to about here, so you can actually unwind some of this and pull it out a little bit until you've got enough length there as well, and just use a couple of cable ties to cable tie it down. From there, you've got your pedals. So you've got a left and right pedal. Make sure you do use the right ones, otherwise you'll thread the cranks. And just use a 15mm spanner or a pedal crank. From here, you've got the side steps. So as you can see here, it's a bit difficult to see, but there's a little bolt on each side. So it's a 5mm bolt. There's one that's about, I think it's about 15mm long, and just use a washer on the end there as well. And so just put that through, do it up nice and tight, and then you've got some Phillips head screws there. Just put those in there nice and tight. From there, just use your Phillips head screws here, up here. This 4mm screw here is already there, so you just need to take that out and put it back in. Look, sometimes these don't actually line up, so you can actually you get your drill out and drill it out a hole a bit more, or just use a cable tie just to tie it down. From there, we've got these the bars. So usually just put this end in here. These are 5mm screws there as well. Put them in loosely, and then put your bars in. The bars actually just slide in, and then just use these 20mm 5mm screws here, and do them up firm. Don't do them up really tight, but just do them up firm, and then you can just make sure it doesn't move, and therefore you know. And then once you've done those tied up, you do these tied up as well. Obviously you've got your little seat pads there. They're just velcroed on. Put your seat on. Just pump up your tyres to about 50 to 60 psi. And that should be about it. You got any questions, let us know.